7.7 magnitude earthquake hitting northeastern Afghanistan, felt hundreds of miles away in Pakistan and India. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you what's going on right now and give you some historical context. That's the portion of the country. But remember, this is triangulating Pakistan, India, Afghanistan. When it's felt in multiple countries, it's usually a reflection of what they call the echo effect, meaning it is stronger, it's intense, it can be deadly. More context. Allison, October 2005, what happened?
Right, almost exactly 10 years ago, there was a 7.6 earthquake 10 years ago. And that's when 75,000 people were killed in Pakistan. Today's is 7.7, so bigger than what we had 10 years ago.
Right. In terms of magnitude, of course, the big factor is going to be where this happened. That happened in the Kashmir. It was about earthquake plus all of the landslides and all that wound up being very deadly. Again, 750,000 people taken out there. We have a producer right now, Sophia Saifi, on the phone. She had to run for cover. The building she was in was beginning to shake. Tell us, what do you know right now, and is it safe?
It's still safe at the moment. However, we can feel tremors at sporadic intervals. So the earth is still shaking, the ground is still shaking. I'm outside my building. People are all milling outside. It's very surreal almost, because you've got children who just half an hour ago were screaming and crying within their building, and now they're just...
चावल